Today, we're delving into a topic that's of utmost importance: colon cancer causing food. While we might not be showing our faces, we're definitely here to shed light on the foods that could potentially be harming your colon health. 1. Understanding colon cancer. Hey there, health-conscious viewers! Today, let's dive into a topic that truly matters: understanding colon cancer. This disease affects many lives, but with knowledge, we can make a difference. So, what exactly is colon cancer? Colon cancer is a type of cancer that starts in the colon or rectum, which are parts of our digestive system. It's the third most common cancer worldwide, but here's the thing: it's often preventable. Now, let's talk risk factors. Certain factors increase the likelihood of developing colon cancer. Age is one. As we get older, the risk goes up. Family history also matters if a close relative had it. But here's where our choices come into play. Our diet plays a big role. The food we eat can affect our colon health and impact the risk of cancer. This is why being mindful of what we put on our plates is so important. Research shows that diets high in processed and red meats, low in fiber, and packed with unhealthy fats might increase the risk of colon cancer. This is why we need to pay attention to what we're fueling our bodies with. 2. The culprits: processed and red meat. Processed and red meats might be tasty, but they come with a cost. Studies have shown that consuming too much of these meats can increase the risk of colon cancer. It's a red flag we can't ignore. The evidence is solid. Research has established a link between the regular consumption of processed and red meats and a higher chance of developing colon cancer. It's a serious wake-up call. But don't worry, we're here to guide you towards healthier choices. If you're looking for protein sources, consider lean poultry like chicken or turkey. Fish is another excellent option, packed with essential nutrients. If you're considering a more plant-based route, legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are fantastic sources of protein and fiber. And guess what? They're gentle on your colon. Plant-based protein options like tofu and tempeh can also add variety to your diet. So let's make a pact to cut down on processed and red meats and explore these healthier alternatives. Your colon will thank you for it. 3. Refined sugars and low-fiber foods. Diets that are high in refined sugars and low in fiber can be a recipe for trouble when it comes to colon health. You see, refined sugars, like those found in sugary drinks and sweets, can cause inflammation in our bodies. And low-fiber diets? They can slow down our digestive system and lead to all sorts of problems, including an increased risk of colon cancer. Fiber, folks, is our colon's best friend. It's like a broom that sweeps away waste and toxins, keeping things moving smoothly. And it does more than that. It feeds the good bacteria in our gut, promoting a healthy balance. Here's the scoop. Foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and nuts are rich in fiber and should become staples in your diet. Now, the real challenge is cutting back on refined sugars. We're not saying you have to completely ditch that sweet tooth, but moderation is key. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup when you can, and read food labels to spot hidden sugars. 4. Unhealthy fats and fried foods. Fats can be either our allies or adversaries, depending on their types. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are like superheroes for our body. They support our overall health, including our colon. On the other hand, there are the bad guys: unhealthy fats. Think of the fats found in fast food and fried treats. Consuming too much of these fats can spell trouble for our colon. They can lead to inflammation, weight gain, and even increase the risk of colon cancer. Fried foods, while tasty, are often loaded with unhealthy fats. When we fry foods, they absorb excess oil, making them high in calories and unhealthy compounds. It's a double whammy for our colon health. So, what's the game plan? It's about making smarter choices. Opt for grilling, baking, or steaming instead of frying. And when it comes to fats, swap out the bad for the good. Use olive oil for cooking, snack on nuts, and treat yourself to the creaminess of avocados. 5. Empowerment through knowledge. Hello, wonderful viewers! As we come to the end of this enlightening journey, we want to remind you that your food choices matter. Let's quickly recap the key points we've explored so far. We've learned that colon cancer is a serious concern, but there are steps we can take to lower the risk. Diets rich in processed and red meats, low in fiber, unhealthy fats, and loaded with additives can increase our chances of colon cancer. But here's the empowering part: you have the knowledge to make a change. By choosing lean proteins, incorporating high-fiber foods, and opting for healthy fats, you're making strides towards a healthier colon. It's not about drastic changes. Small, mindful adjustments in your diet can have a significant impact. You're not alone in this journey. We're all in it together, striving for better health. So, share this knowledge with your loved ones. Spread the word about the importance of making informed food choices. Remember, every time you pick a meal, you're shaping your health. The choices you make today can create a healthier tomorrow. We're cheering you on as you take control of your colon health and overall well-being. Thanks for joining us on this eye-opening exploration. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, take care and keep making those positive food choices.